ocean of memories. This vast darkness is slowly consuming me. Left hopeless, left drowning on all that is pouring up from within. My tears have become the pouring rain. I wear the shackles and chains like broken apparel, left under the storm and under the weather. These bites are such a heavy burden to carry. I'm left helpless and left behind tethered. Broken baits and weather, showing fast from all that is around me. As the storm rages around me in a mass confusing squalls. I'm lost among the storm as the darkness swirls around me. The winds howling as they plow through my head. They whistle and scream as they pass me by. I'm nothing but a hurricane. I wear the shackles and chains like broken apparel, left under the storm and under the weather. These bites are such a heavy burden to carry. I'm left helpless and left behind tethered. Broken baits and weather, showing fast from all that is around me. As the storm rages around me in a mass confusing squalls. Love wear these shackles and chains like broken apparel, left under the storm and under the weather. These binds are such a heavy burden to carry. I'm left helpless and left behind tethered. Broken baits and weather, drowning fast from all that is around me. As the storm rages around me in a mass confusing squalls. Among the storm as the darkness swells around me in a massive confusing squalls. Unless I continue to break on the shattered remnants of the past. My pieces blowing around me like shards of glass. I need a break out of this weather. Someone please come save me from my tether. Save me before I'm broken and empty. As I lie down and wait to die, I wear the shackles and chains like broken apparel, left under the storm and under the weather. These bites are such a heavy burden to carry. I'm left helpless and left behind tethered. Broken baits and weather, showing fast from all that is around me. As the storm rages around me in a mass confusing squalls. I just need a patch of blue sky to let me know things are getting better. I've been in this storm for too long. The darkness and noise is all I know. As these shackles dig tight, my vision is going out of sight. Broken